You can use Google, DuckDuckGo, Quant, whatever search engine you'd like to use. And you'll go ahead and go in, just type in for your Linux distribution and type in that distribution plus ISO. It'll pop up with the top 2 or 3. You'll go ahead and just go in, hit download on Ubuntu desktop right here. You'll go to scroll down. Now is the time you have to figure out, do you want to use something called a long-term support release, or do you want to use something that is bleeding edge or closer to the bleeding edge here? So the long-term support release, you won't get as many new features, but you'll have a very stable system. In the situation of the Ubuntu 23.10 has a few newer features under the hood, but you're also not going to be supported as long as they go into 9 month cycles. So for us today, I'm going to do what I want and go ahead and download the 23.10 release. You will see here in just a second, it will pop up with another page letting us know we're downloading it. So it should pop up here in a second up here, and we will see that it's downloading.